As a backend developer, your most dangerous assumption is thinking the user will send you clean data. If your API has a role field from the front end, a malicious user could simply use role admin and take over your system. Today, we're building a firewall for your controller using NestJS DTOs. We have implemented a create task DTO to standardize and validate the request body during task creation. This DTO serves as a strict schema that ensures incoming data is sanitized before reaching the service layer. In this DTO, there are two properties: title, which has an API property, is string, is not empty, and must length decorators, and description property. We implement is string and is not empty decorator to enforce strict data integrity at the application level. These decorators act as a primary defense mechanism, ensuring that incoming request payload adhere to the expected schema before they reach the business logic or persistent layer. The must-length decorator is more than just a formatting tool. It is a security measure. By limiting input size, you protect your database from DOS attacks involving massive string and prevent unnecessary storage consumption. For example, without the string decorator, unvalidated data can bypass the application layer and trigger a database level failure, making the system more vulnerable to runtime expectations. By enforcing this constraint, you shift the point of failure from a generic 500 server error to a specific 400 batch request, allowing for a much better user experience while clean error reporting. To make these decorators functional, you must register the validation pipe globally. Two specific settings turn it from a simple checker into a strict gatekeeper. While it's true, this is a critical security feature. It automatically strips away any property in the request body that do not have a corresponding decorator in DTO. This prevents attackers from injecting malicious or unexpected fields into your data layer. forbidNonWhitelisted true, while whitelist simply remove extra fields. Setting this to true will actually reject the request with a 400 batch request error. If unknown properties are present, forcing the client to adhere strictly to your API contract. Validation ensures the data is correct, but transformation ensures the data is useful. Using this transform decorator allows you to manipulate input before it reaches your logic. For example, sanitizing an email to lowercase or trimming white space from a title. For the transform example, I will change the title in the request body to uppercase, and then the API response will be lowercase. We can now implement a DTO for the creation logic, integrating between validation and automatic data transformation to ensure payload integrity. If you want more video about NestJS, don't forget to like and subscribe to ScienTeck for more deal tips.